Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Global Alert TV channel. Please subscribe and like my videos. Today's video dives deep into the shocking development titled, Putin rages as Ukraine strikes his stealth missile with cheap tech, an incident that has shaken global observers and rewritten the lessons of modern warfare. Reports reveal that one of Russia's most advanced stealth missiles, designed with cutting-edge radar-absorbing materials, low observability technology, and sophisticated guidance systems, was successfully intercepted or destroyed by Ukraine using what many analysts describe as cheap tech, likely low-cost drones, electronic warfare tools, or improvised tracking systems. This event highlights how technological creativity and resourcefulness can overcome even the most expensive military assets. Russia's stealth missiles, such as the Kh-69, are built with safety features meant to make them nearly invisible: reduced radar cross-section, terrain-hugging flight paths, infrared signature suppression, and electronic countermeasures to evade interception. But despite these features, the missile fell victim to Ukraine's cost-effective innovation, which might have involved signal jamming, decoy drones, or modified civilian electronics to confuse or neutralize the missile's systems. The very safety features meant to protect it failed under real combat stress, proving that the balance of war now favors adaptability over wealth. The unique selling points of Russia's stealth missiles, precision strikes, deep penetration, and strategic deterrence, were meant to guarantee power projection and control, yet this failure revealed their vulnerability when faced with unconventional tactics. While each missile costs millions to build, Ukraine's low-cost systems, sometimes built for a few $1,000s, can now inflict million-dollar losses per strike. This enormous cost disparity is transforming modern warfare. The side that innovates faster, not the side that spends more, now holds the advantage. The price of this event, therefore, is not just financial but political and psychological. For Russia, it's a humiliation and a blow to its image of technological superiority, forcing it to rethink its defense doctrines and countermeasures. For Ukraine, it's a symbolic victory, a demonstration that intelligence and agility can pierce even the mightiest armor. Putin's reported anger is understandable. It's not merely about a lost missile, but about a shattered illusion of invincibility. As the war drags on, each new encounter like this emphasizes that wars are no longer fought solely by billion-dollar machines but also by creativity, coding, and courage. The modern battlefield rewards innovation, improvisation, and adaptability over brute strength. In conclusion, this incident teaches us that no matter how advanced the technology, the most powerful weapon remains human ingenuity. Ukraine's cheap tech victory against a stealth missile sends a powerful message that intelligence, courage, and innovation can rewrite the rules of war, even in the face of overwhelming power. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Global Alert TV channel for more global updates and analytical stories like this one.